In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new email to your Zoho account in just 5 minutes. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Zoho, you'll find this guide simple and easy to follow. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Zoho account. Open your web browser and head over to the Zoho login page. Enter your username and password, then click sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Zoho main dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your Zoho applications. Next, look towards the upper right hand corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop down menu where you can access various account settings. From this menu, select My Account. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Zoho profile, including email addresses. Once you're on the My Account page, you should be on the Profile tab. If you're not, ensure you click the Profile tab from the sidebar. This tab is your go-to place for updating personal details linked to your Zoho account. Now direct your attention to the email address section. Here's where all the magic happens when it comes to adding or changing email addresses associated with your account. Go ahead and click on Email Address. In this section, you'll see an option that says Add Email Address. Click on it. This action will trigger a prompt asking you to enter the new email address you wish to add. Carefully type in the new email address, making sure you've got it correct to prevent any verification issues later on. After entering the email address, click on Add. At this point, Zoho will send a one-time password or OTP to the new email address you've just provided. This is an essential security measure to confirm the authenticity of the email address and link it properly to your Zoho account. Now switch over to your email account and check for a new message from Zoho. It should contain a numerical code, that's your OTP. Once you've found it, return to your Zoho account window, enter the OTP in the designated field and click Verify. Once verification is complete, you'll see the new email address listed in the email section of your Zoho profile. And that's it! You've successfully added a new email address to your Zoho account. By following these steps, you can swiftly manage your email addresses, ensuring that all your Zoho communications are sent to the correct inbox. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.